Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving all of LeetCode's problems, starting from the easy ones all the way to the hard ones. So now we're solving this one, binary tree. So what is this? I want to zoom in. For some reason the keyboard's not working. Okay, so let's zoom in a little. So, given the root of a binary tree, return all root to leaf paths in any order. A leaf is a node with no children. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. That's what I need to return. Okay. Okay. So we can do like recursion. And recursion can just return the paths. So 5 to 5, it's 5, so it returns 5 back. So 2 as this one, so it's 2 to 5. 3 is just this one, so it returns 3. And now we have 1 to 5, and then 1 to 3, because we're just appending 1 to the ones that have returned back. So if root is none, let's just return none. No, let's return an empty string. And left paths equals self.binary. I'm just gonna copy this of root.left. Yep. And what this will be, let's say if we are on number 2, this is supposed to return 5. That's it. But if this was on 1, it should return something like 2 up to 5. Something like this. And then I would just do 2 to 5. Right paths. Same thing. Right. And now, so let's see. Now I'm struggling a bit to imagine the best formatting. So return. So all paths equals empty list, and for path in left path plus right path, all paths got append, let's see, root.val plus path. Return all paths. Actually, no, I need to, not like this. So, because I need to operate with strings. So all paths.append. Now let's do some string formatting. So this is our string, and I want to do root.val. And now I want to do the arrow, and then I want to do path. I think this will work. If not path, thinking, because if we return this, I don't want to point to nothing. Okay, let's just point to nothing. Let's see where this takes us. Left paths, not left paths. Yep. So this failed. Why did this fail? So this is 1, 2, and 2, nothing. This is, oh, because of no. For path. Yeah, that's the problem. If not path, continue. But if that is the case, then it will be 0, it will be empty. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so I can do that. So if not all paths, so if all paths is empty, I can read all paths will be equal to just the value, string of root.val. Let's run this. Okay, accepted, submit. Okay, and it's done. I am happy with this. Let's just submit again, see if it suddenly becomes better. Yeah, and now it's a lot better. So I'm satisfied. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.